How to use a pumpkin seed to control blood sugar level. You're welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to discuss on how can you pumpkin seed to control blood sugar level. We'll start with the story of Mr. Ibrahim, a 42 years old father living in Lagos, had been struggling with high blood sugar for years. He tried different medication, cut down on sugars, but still found his glucose levels swimming up and down. One day, a friend introduced him to something so simple. He couldn't believe it at first. Pumpkin seed. That's what we are going to discuss in this video. So, Mr. Ibrahim was skeptical. Seed, can this really help me? He asked, but after learning how powerful pumpkin seed are for diabetes, he decided to try. Within a week, he noticed his sugar spike becoming less frequent. His energy improved and even his sleep getting better. He now say this is a good start. So what makes pumpkin seed special? They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays crucial roles in regulating blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. They contain healthy fat and fiber, which slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with antioxidants like carotenoid and vitamin E, which protect the body from inflammation, something common in diabetes. Now, how to use pumpkin seed? Very important. Here, how you can use them. We have roasted snacks. Take a handful of unsalted roasted pumpkin seed and eat them as a mid-morning or evening snacks. 2. Have smoothie boost. Add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seed to your morning smoothie for extra proteins and fiber. And number 3, sprinkle on meals. Crush pumpkin seed and sprinkle over pap, akamu, oatmeal, or even vegetable soup. And number 4, have pumpkin seed tea. Boil a handful of pumpkin seed in water for 10 minutes, strain and drink as a herbal tea. It's very helpful. Now, Mr. Ibrahim started replacing sugary snacks with roasted pumpkin seed. He even carried a small container in his bag whenever he went to work. Over time, this tiny change became part of his daily routine, and it made a big difference in keeping his sugar levels stable. So here are the important reminders. Pumpkin seeds are not a cure for diabetes. They are a natural support. Always eat them in moderation and combine them with other healthy food. Regular exercise and follow your doctor advice. Very important. So the next time you see pumpkin seed, don't throw them away. Start including them into your meals and snacks. Your blood sugars will thank you. So that's what I have to discuss with you in this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.